Recently, people have been wondering in the comments if we've sold out, if we traded our honesty in for money. Do we say nice things about the products which appear in this channel because we were paid to do so and we didn't disclose that? We didn't let you know that we were paid. So let's talk about that after a short word from our sponsor.
Sawa ka na ba sa unactivated Windows mo? Well, lucky you! Pinakabago mula sa cdkeyoffer.com. Windows 10 and Windows 11 activation codes. Legit, safe, at pinakamura. Madali lang umorder.
Hanapin ang Windows version na gusto mo. Piliin ang preferred payment method. Wala pang 5 minutes, nag-CDK ka na para sa Windows mo.
Marami na kaming natulungan.
Dati, sudden depressed ako. But now, I found the love of my life.
Dati, aimless and walang purpose ang life ko. But now, I'm a world-class Zumba instructor.
So, web developer ako and content creator for a YouTube channel. And ngayon, ganun pa rin ako pero activated na yung Windows ko.
Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng legit, mura, at original software,
Check out cdkeyoffer.com.
check out cdkeyoffer.com.
Check out cdkeyoffer.com. I find that funny because having a paid spot in a video about paid spots might seem self-serving, but it also illustrates our policy on sponsorships very well. Every time we got paid for something, we indicate in the YouTube video that it is sponsored content. Kahit walang kinalaman yung sponsored product sa video, as long as we got paid to put an ad in, we put that it's a sponsored video. Many of our CDK videos, walang kinalaman at all sa software activation codes, but every single one of them is indicated as sponsored content. So that's the first layer of transparency. As long as we got paid, whoever paid us, kung CDK man yun or some other brand, the video is tagged as sponsored. Second layer of transparency. If we got paid to talk about a certain product, then we specifically tell you out loud in the video.
Keeping your data, sponsored by Stellar and their data recovery software.
And you should know we receive compensation to highlight certain features of this chair. Kung may bayad to mention features or some other thing the brand wants to highlight, automatic yan. We tell you in the video and we tell you early on in the video. Third layer of transparency. For the items that we review, we even tell you how we got the item in the first place. No other channel that I know of, whether local or foreign, goes into that level of detail. Kung panihiram lang, we let you know. Kung binigay, we let you know. Kung request namin, we let you know. We do this because we want to be as upfront as possible on how we acquired the item so that you can make up your own mind on our possible biases. Now, there are some review videos in the past where hindi ko nalagay itong additional info. Either these are really old videos before we had this policy, or there was a stretch of around 6 months or so last year where there were so many things going on, hindi ko mababysit yung text description of every YouTube video. But roughly, I would say around 75% of our relevant text descriptions describe how we got the product, and certainly the videos within this year should have them. Pag sponsored, disclosed yan, malinaw. So I don't understand these comments that indirectly accuse us of hawking products because we didn't disclose. We did and we do every single time. Kung walang disclosure, that means wala kami natanggap na bayad. i.e., hindi yun sponsored. Now, how we got the item and what happens to the item after the video is good to know because some people view that if we got to keep the item, then that means we got paid. Yung compensation namin, yung item. I don't agree that the item is a form of payment because the item just by itself is useless to us. It's not money. We can't trade it easily for the things we need. We can't buy food with it, pay the electricity with it. In its current form, it is of little value to us. Yes, of course, we can try to sell it. Yung keyword is try. If you look in our second-hand items list, there's a whole section of items there na is the shops. We got it because brand sent it to us, we reviewed them, and we want to trade them for cash. We want to sell them, but there are no takers. Mamamatay kami sa gutom if we have to rely on selling the items that we received for review. Some of the items are useful since we are a shop. We can use them in shop operations, but those don't directly help us make money. Tuloy pa rin yung operations ng shop even without them. Really, the ones who benefit the most from the items we get to keep are our customers. They get to try out the items in the store, for example, like a lot of the chairs. Sometimes we lend out the items, like coolers, RAM, even GPUs, for free if the customer needs an extra part to keep his PC running while they're waiting for an RMA. So, I got a little annoyed, to be honest, when I see these kind of comments, because in my mind, we've done everything possible to avoid this doubt, this uncertainty na, binayaran kaya sila. Yun nga, every time we received money for something, nakalagay, the video is sponsored. And thank you to NVIDIA for sponsoring this video. What else can be clearer than that? Not only do we do the basic disclosure, but as discussed earlier, we go well beyond that. Yes, it's good to hold people accountable, but if you criticize blindly, nadadamay rin yung gumagawa nung gusto mo. You say we should disclose. We do disclose. And yet we still get grief about it. Critics say, don't be like this. Hindi nga kami ganun, pero yung trato sa amin, ganun. If you can't recognize the difference between the good guys and the bad guys, then you can't demand that there should be a difference. Kami nga yung nagdi-disclose ng things where the brand wanted a good review just from a sample. We said no, and we told you, we disclosed publicly that we said no. We're the reviewers, now we review hardware, and we like it so much, we end up buying the hardware ourselves with our own money. I'm talking about the ROG PG48UQ. ASUS sent it to us for review. I gave it a good review. I returned it after. I meant everything I said in that review. I liked it so much na I ended up buying that monitor, the exact same model, with my own money. If you follow the money, most of it is not to the shop, to the channel, pero outwards. Kasi nabubudol rin kami sa mga nare-review namin. And when the money flow is incoming towards the channel, then we tell you about it every single time. Sorry for getting a little heated. I know many of our viewers trust us. I just wanted to make this video so that whenever I see another bayad lang kayo comment, yan ang hirap sa mga local influencers, binibenta nila sarili nila, etc., etc., I can send them this link, this video. If you can't recognize the difference between the good guys and the bad guys, then you can't demand that there should be a difference. Makapal ba mukha ko that I lump us in with the good guys? I do think we're one of the good guys. I do think that there are good guys out there, that we put in a lot of effort so that it's very clear to the audience when money comes into the picture and when it doesn't. And with this channel, Hardware Sugar, 95% of the time, there is no money involved. Believe me, I wish there was more money involved because it's really expensive running the channel, running the shop. You guys make a big difference. Our YouTube members, the people who like, subscribe, comment, share. It's so important to us that we never break that trust. It's also in our own interest to be very up clear with you. And yun nga lang, I just sometimes find it very frustrating when I thought we were very clear. But I guess sometimes, we just need to be black and white about this, that don't worry, every time we get paid, you know about it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in 2025. Where, like before, like it's always been, if we get paid, you will know about it.